tour, a provincial media tour in Manicaland province, will cover today and tomorrow with a major emphasis in terms of the Second Republic's achievements, which are notable. And as members of the Fourth Estate, we have a social contract that we signed in terms of supporting and resourcing members of the Fourth Estate through the Ministry of Information, Publicity and Broadcasting Services. And the support includes transport, includes food, includes support in terms of supporting the freedom and access in terms of members of the Fourth Estate's obligation, which is in terms of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, Section 61 and Section 62 of the Constitution. So a number of projects and programs have been achieved under the leadership of President Idi Mnangagwa. And some of the projects are part of the 100-day cycle projects and programs which we have registered, starting with the opening of the Grand Reef Airport, which has eased travel arrangements as we now utilize air travel between Harare and Mutare. This is part of the modernization thrust and also as a way of easing the way of doing business. But also the tour includes a number of dam infrastructure projects that have been successfully commissioned, and some of the dams currently underway. Some of the commissioned dams also include the Marovanyati Dam, the Mchekeranwa Dam, which is between the border of Manicaland Province and Mashonaland East Province. This then feeds into an ecosystem which supports food security and nutrition security, with the revision of agroecological regions and the utilization of agriculture information management systems in order to enhance and constitutionally fulfill the obligations in terms of food security and nutrition security. All these programs and projects have been put in place in order to ensure that we leave no one and no place behind. Of kilometers of roads in terms of gravel and in terms of tar have also been achieved, including in Manicaland province, which with a number of projects currently underway, which also includes the Mutare bypass project, the modernization of the Forbes border post, in order to enhance the movement of goods and services between Zimbabwe, Mozambique, and the rest of the world. These are some of the achievements under the leadership of President Idi Mnangagwa. The modernization and construction of a number of infrastructure projects at Manicaland State University, Mutare Teachers College, and Mutare Technical College are some of the notable achievements that we've managed to register as a government, including at the same time the modernization of the Mutare Civil Registry offices. You will recall that pre-new dispensation, they were always accused in terms of birth certificate, national IDs and passports. But through triple P arrangements, we've now managed to ease the way of doing business and also to enhance service delivery to all the citizens of our country. But also the macroeconomic growth in terms of what is taking place within Manicaland province, with a number of secondary and tertiary industry institutions, and now processing crops, agroecological revision has also enhanced the production of food across the province. So these are some of the notable achievements that have been registered under President Idi Mnangagwa. Thank you.
President wedu ari kutigonera tiri pano paGrand Reef, inzvimbo yaimboshandiswa kumhara ndege nguva dzehondo, asi yachinjwa nawo kuti ichiva airport yedu iri kutibatsira mukutakura vanhu vachibva kwaharare vachiuya kuno kwaMutare. Vanhu vemabhizinesi vemumamutare vemumanikaland vari kufara, vari kushandisa ndege iyi. Sekuziva kwatingaite tese rodhi yedu inoenda kwaharare ichibva kwaMutare yawanda motikari kunyanya marori anobva kuBeira ari kushandisa rodhi rinova zverimwe bhizinesi rakakura ratiri kusangana naro semanikaland pabhodha pedu and nemumanzira imomo. Saka tiri kuti kuvanhu vemanikaland nevanhu vese vaenzi vedu ngatishandise ndege iyi. Ndege iyi takaipiwa nababa Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa kuti upenyu hwedu husatiremere pakufamba pakuita bhizinesi. Tikaishandisa tinogona kutopedzisira dzawanda ndege dzacho, zvichireva zvekuti kana even atingati vashanyi vedu vanouya kuzoona nzvimbo dzedu dzakanaka dzatinadzo dzakawanda chaizvo muno mumanikaland vari kushandisa ndege iyi. Tiri kutarisa kuti vacharamba vachiwedzera nekuti zvanyore kuti vakangoenda paairport yeZimbabwe votakurwa vouya pano tobva taenda navo kunzvimbo dzakasiyana siyana kudzokera kwavo zvikuwa vari pakufamba.